Okay, so here's the a little tutorial for you to make some of these changes. Go to KarenKramerArt.com/WT login. It's in the email, and you log in. It will take you to the dashboard. You can go up here and click Visit Site. Now, if you want to change um, the descriptions, let's go to one of these pages. There's the images. These are being driven by the image in the photo gallery. So Sierra Mountain Glory, like if I want to change the dimensions or whatever on that, I would go there. I would go to the dashboard, then to the media library where all your images reside. I'm going to just search for that image, and there it is. That's not the one you'll see because that's the wrong caption. There's a couple versions in here of it. That's the one that I want right there. It has that dimensions. Make sure I'm on the right one. That's it, 22 by 30. So I could change this right here, and then it will, all you do is change it there. It'll automatically save. I'm just going to change that to 24. And if I go back to the site, weekly images, you'll see now it's 24. I just changed it. Let me change it back to 22 here. But that's as simple as it gets. Just be aware that there are multiple, sometimes there are multiple versions of the image, so make sure you're making changes to the right one. But if you don't make changes to the right one, you can always go back here. I just search for that image, go back to here, change that back to 22. All you gotta do, close, visit the site, and this should be back to 22. There you go. So that's how you change the descriptions and the names in the image gallery. In order to add an image, that's easy too. It's right in, you can do it right in the page now. You don't have to go to the separate module for the image gallery. You can just click Add a Page. Take a while because there's a bunch in there. Okay, so there's the gallery. You can see it there. Click on the little gear, and then here's the gallery. So if you want to add a new one, you can just click on the plus sign, search for whatever image you want to add. I'm not going to add that, but you can see whatever image, or upload a file, select a file from your desktop. Your low res image differs from my version of a low res image. Usually I'm at 72 DPI, around 900 by 1200, or 700 by 800, depending on what the dimensions of the image is. They kind of differ, but I'm at 72 DPI. Most of the stuff, even your low res stuff, and I'm sure it is low res to you, but for the web, low res is 72 DPI. If you need we need to talk about that further on how to convert those before you upload them, because it's not that big a deal on the desktop, but if you start putting 2-3 gigabyte images in this gallery and someone trying to load it on a phone, it's gonna, unless you got 5G or something else, it's gonna take forever to load. And there's quite a few images in these galleries. We can also talk about pagination. I have this to set to show 12, and I think the other one is 24, so there's 2 pages. But we can make it, 8 images, 12 images. That way, when a first person first goes there, all they're doing is loading up the first 8 or 10 images. If they want to see more, they can, instead of displaying all of the images on one page. That's just something to think about. So yeah, just click OK, and it would update the gallery. You click update, it'll update the gallery. You go to the view the page, and it should have the new images in there to add to the gallery. Changing text. Okay, so if you want to change the text, it's just how we did it before. So I'm going to go to your About Us page or Studio Visit, right? And if you want to change something here, like come by and enjoy the Studio 11 group show, you can just hit edit page. You can see this is, here's the map text. This is the text. I can change this, put about text. And these are the image. These are the 4 images. And then this email list is the one in the footer. This one over here will only show if you are on a phone. So it puts the email list thing at the bottom. This one over here is programmed to show up on desktop and tablet. So it's underneath the menu. So that's why you see 2 of them, list margin and footer, because they're programmed to display in different places depending on what device you are looking at the website on. But you can just click on the gear. Here's the About Us. My studio is a working studio, gallery. I can just go in here and change this. COVID, I'll put 19. Safety protocols, hit save changes, click update, and then you view the page, and you'll see that I changed that to 19, so it shows up there. That's real simple. Any rub is, like I said, to go into the the media library if you want to change the descriptions. You can go right to the page and click on edit page if you want to change in the page. And I just went through how to add an image to a gallery just by going to the page. Visit the site. Go to the page that you want to change. Click edit page. And then just find the gallery module right here. And just go in here and add it. That's as easy as that. Click on the plus, search for the image, save it. Maybe you have to go in the media library and update the descriptions, because it'll just bring the metadata in from the photo as a default. So you once you import that, you want to go back to the media library and update that description, the title and description, and you should be all set. That's it. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks. Bye.